15-minute full body kettlebell back and leg strength workout. One bell. We're doing kettlebell rows, kettlebell deadlifts, kettlebell swings on the minute. Grab your bell, grab your water. Every single time we're gonna go. All right, so let's get into it. We're starting out with kettlebell rows. 6 total, 3 right, 3 left. Grab that bell. You got 3 seconds, so let's get after it. Here we go. Sit up strong. 3, 2, 1, and row. 1, 2, 3. Elbow nice and high. Control it down. Other side. Pack that shoulder down. 1, and 2, and 3. Sit down, shake it out. All right. So remember, when you're pulling that bell up, elbow nice and high, drag, reach that wrist to that hip, okay? Next up, we got deadlifts. So 8 deadlifts up over that bell. Every exercise is gonna be right here, so you know what we're doing next. All right. Remember, bell back by your ankles. You want to be able to hinge down to it. Nice strong back, and then pull it up, deadlift strong. Here we go, 8 reps. Tap the ground, don't bounce it, tap, pause, power it up. Here we go. Hinge, go. Deadlift is a great prep for the swing, which is the next exercise. We're doing 10 swings. If you can do 10 strong, stick with me. If not, drop it down to 8 or 6, all right? We got 5 rounds of all these, so take your time, be smart about it. All right, here we go. All right, just like that, we're on our last set. We're 4 down, 1 to go. Set of rows, set of deadlifts, set of swings. Make them strong, make them good. Make them your best set you've done today. Let's finish strong. All right, just like that, we got 1 set left, 10 swings. Make them the best set of swings you've done today. If you drop the reps, go ahead. I'm going for 10 if you want to stick with me at those. Let's go. Strong, powerful, finish on top. Celebrate this win. Let's get it. All right, set up with that bell. Should engage that core. Brace. Brace that core. Hands down. Let's swing together, counting at 10. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Woo. And that's a good one. That's a wrap. 15 minutes, full body, getting it in. 3 power exercises, strong back, strong legs, strong total body. The row, the deadlift, and the swing. Awesome job. Celebrate the swing. Shake it out. Make sure you stay hydrated. Refuel. Good nutrition shake, whatever you're gonna have. Fuel up. Come back. Do it tomorrow. Celebrate this win. You showed up one day. Take it the next day and the next day. Before you know it, you're being consistent. You're getting stronger. You're getting fitter. You're blasting fat off. You're getting a better version of you. Thanks for showing up. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this, let me know what you like about it. Comment. Share with some you know who want to do this workout with, or just could do it in general. And if you're looking for a full body, more workouts like this, let me know in the comments. If you like these, I'll shoot them out to you. Until then, have an awesome day. Train strong, get after it. Enjoy the process. Train strong. You got this.